Kinong Shnong Jongka Shnong Gamba Grey West Garu Hills District Man Kasngi ki haban ya linti kumba 100 kilometer nagabenta ban letong Henry Hadin Baladep Yaka Scheme Pinpoy Lingba ka Jal Jivan Mission Minta Kipatba Kilayo Yaka Hat Tyngkong Year Nakaliang Mintri Katnat PHE Uba Renington Lingdo Tongkar Ulalet Jingo Yaka Niga Jing Pintray Kabalala Ban Pindep.
Came here in West Garu Hills in this village Kambagre. I'm happy to see the function of the functional tap connection here, that the water pipe has been given to each and every house. That is a big achievement, and I want to congratulate the department, to congratulate the headmen of this village who are here with us here, that they are very lucky to get this scheme. I was made to understand that before JJM comes here, they need to fetch water far away, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers, as headman has stated. So I'm very happy to see that this JJM scheme, this water supply scheme from the department, it has really brought a big change to the people of this village. And I wish that this change will go to complete all the villages in the state of Meghalaya, and as we are trying our best to complete this scheme by this year itself. I wish the department, I wish all the officers that they can do their best to really ensure that we will be able to give water to each and every house, and that will be a great achievement of this government, of our department. We are really happy to see how people are getting water abundantly like this. Yeah. So it is we see that the water quality also is very clean, very clear. So this is a big thing, because there was a question, people are saying that what type of water we can give to people, whether we can give clean water. So here we can see that the water is very clean, and it's about almost ready to drink without any further treatment. So this is yeah, this is very, very good. I will take it. Yeah, you can take it. No problem. I'll take that. Yeah.